private island.
Listen, wait, Meka.
So go ice skating. Wish us luck.
Few things you can never take from me. That's my heart, my talent, my soul. Enough of them I move like carbon copy and out of control.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy.
Morning. So, we did something that we never did before this morning. We actually did a fitness class. We did some stretching. We did some hard work. And they got evidence to prove it because they got haters like Jeffrey from Holo's Health that would feel that we wouldn't do it. We got some other haters too, but we actually do it for true. Look, see, evidence. We actually in room. Use the weights. We actually use mats. So get in your workout wherever you can get in. You ain't got no excuse.
Hey guys, what's going on? So this is day 2. My spirits are still not as upful. Not sure if one exactly told you all what happened. But yeah, so this is day 2. And we just did a stretch class and an ab workout. We're here in the gym right now. We're still trying to stay as active as possible even though we're on vacation. Just so you know, we still keep our progress up and don't put on too much weight from vacation food. But yeah, so just stay tuned for the rest of today's vlog. Maybe ones will be vlogging for you all, depending on how I'm feeling. Or I might just pop in and out. So yeah, here's to day 2 and to enjoying and trying to make the most of the vacation despite whatever is happening or bothering me right now. So yeah, stay tuned, y'all. Give this video a like. Give this video a like for Gym Day, please, and for me. Okay.
Moving late today, but nevertheless, we make it. Oh, we're on Cococay. We're going to the beach. Watch the film. Good girl, look good. Look, say, baby, wanna? Listen. Aye. Look at that, the door open just for you. Rolling. See when shortly. I'm showing them what the beach looking like. You're on Cococay, which is Royal Caribbean private island. Yeah, let me go.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set, full of the stars. Yeah, you shall find a piece of advice. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not depend on me, enter the light. But you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer.
What's up, bud? You literally just walk up by the side of me. Gone.
Alright, get up, bud.
So hey y'all, so as you can see, this vlog is not much of a talky vlog, at least the first part of this. But after, that encounter with the iguana, we made our way to the market area, because it was just beautiful over here seeing all that they had, and just trying to see what we could grab before we finally decided on settling down on the beach to have a nice, cool, refreshing drink. I honestly don't remember the name of it, but it was good.
I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot 'cause I'm bulletproof.
Listen, wavy bagel.
Love it up, do. Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do.
Okay, Auntie. Alright, good.
This bird was adamant he wanted whatever was in that cup. I guess it was a hot day for him also.
Can't drink alcohol. Go on, drink it. Go on. You're stumbling. Go on, drink it.
Now, despite the heat at Cococay, it truly was a relaxing atmosphere that I literally found myself dozing off. And I mean, well, I didn't get much sleep the night before, so it probably was inevitable. And then after that, I just decided, what better way to cool down the heat than jumping in the water, which, let me just say, the water was ice cold water. It was truly confusing how outside was so hot, but yet the water was extremely cold. It was honestly a very weird thing for me to comprehend in that moment. So to be quite honest, I didn't stay long. It was me coming to tell once about how cold the water was, because I think she think that I was joking, but it really was.
I want a real hole. Like ice cold. Jesus Christ.
I will say hot.
I feel that I would get a stroke. It's so cold.
Very well. I don't get in a stroke.
Nevertheless, we're a water girl. I'm a water type of girl, so it was back in there to give it another go and to make that big dip. Not big dip, which does sometimes. You're about to see.
Good. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, dip. 3. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
finally did it. We got those shoulders underwater, and after some time, you know, my body adjusted, and I spent a couple minutes in here before it was like, okay, we need to see what else the island has to offer.
How's the water?
Cold. Very cold. Like ice bath cold. Imagine. She wouldn't even get in the water. On the swim clothes, do everything she had to do. Like, yes, she'd have gone in the water. No, we get here. This is what she doing. The usual. Where she foot. If so much. If so much. Because usually that don't happen neither. Water cold, right? Yeah, it doesn't add up at all. The sun out here is scorching, people. The sun is scorching and the water is cold. Like if you've ever experienced an ice bath, it don't make no sense at all. Like it doesn't make any sense at all.
All of the birds freaking out.
But yeah, perfect day at Cococay. Energy's still low, right? I know. I'm working on it, guys. I'm working on it.
So after we chilled for a bit, had a couple drinks, we decided that we would walk around and take in more of the island. And over this side in particular was truly beautiful, looking out to the sea. The wind was awesome. I really don't feel like the camera is doing justice to just how beautiful this particular section of the island for me personally was. Very calming and relaxing. And over to the right there were these bungalows that I believe you could have rented them, and if you wanted like a little more private or intimate setting while chilling on the beach. But it was truly beautiful. It was really a perfect day at Cococay despite all that I was dealing with emotionally. And you know, just after this we were just like, you know what, it's a bit hot outside, we don't want to get any water anymore, so we decided that we would head over to one of the main areas and indulge in some soft serve ice cream, which was very tasty and enjoyable.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So some parts that would have been left out of this vlog was when we were walking around the market area on the island, just looking for souvenirs and seeing what they had before we then made our way back to the ship. So once we were back on board, we decided that we would stop and get some pizza. Now this pizza is really amazing, especially if you are hungry and you want something quick. Just stop and get you some freshly made pizza. And after that, then we headed to the room because we were about to prepare to go ice skating. Y'all need to continue watching this vlog to see all that has happened. Ellie! I got an elephant. Yay! This made me smile. Look at it, look. Mr. Ellie. Mr. Ellie. There it was, another tall animal, and I named this one Ellie. You know, I really love these, and I usually just put them all around the room until the very last day. Yeah, get that hurt. Oh wow. No. We got the good stuff. We got the good stuff. This is dedicated to a girl like Kiwani. Big up you. Outfit check. So we had into a puppet show. I don't know why. Why are we heading to big adults?
I know that you see there. That's it.
Oh well, yeah, but they also have children, so was our excuse?
You tell me the other day, children inside. And you can ask anybody. You don't see it.
Okay, so we're going to the puppet show for the children that exist, but don't quite exist as yet within us. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to the puppet show for it. Well, enjoy. The puppet show. Oh my God! Seriously? Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus! Oh Lord! Okay, let's not block the actual children who came to watch. Oh my God! I feel so embarrassed now. I want front row seat though. These two blocking me. So there was no recording of the puppet show, but it was really good. Even though it was for children, we enjoyed it, and it was, you know, it gave that very realistic virtual feeling. We could have seen bubbles. We at one point felt water. It was awesome. Now for the moment you all have been waiting for. No laughing. Give this video a like. So we're about to go ice skating. Wish us luck, because the last time we were on vacation, when it was our group trip, we did roller skating, and that wasn't going too well for most of us. So you know what, we would have think that we could manage ice skating, but we gonna try a thing. See how everybody just get around like it normal, and we can probably be like this person here, so up on the sidelines. Side. I wish us luck. That's all I can say.
Okay, skaters with pink wristbands and skaters with yellow wristbands, your session is now finished. Please leave the ice and return your skates and helmets back to skate higher. That's for skaters with pink wristbands and skaters with yellow wristbands. Please return your skates back to skate higher. Thank you.
We go here, people with the purple.
You guys did great. You did great. You think so? Yeah.
It's together and get to the rink. Together and get to the rink before we time up.
Okay.
Oh Lord. Oh Lord. What you say is what, like normal? Oh shoot. Oh Jesus. Alright, you gotta put on the phone for the start and come back to winner.
Alright. Alright.
Turn that round.
No. Let's do this. At least are you able to walk? The woman said hold on. Oi, 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 oi.
You good? You good? You good? She ever said thank you. We Jesus! 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 Hold on. Hold on tight.
Take your time.
Hold on tight.
You gonna come know someone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that should be much better. So much hair.
Too much hair, Meeksy.
Come on, girl. I want that please. I can watch you. It's your first day of school. What do you understand from me?
Everything is like gonna come down somewhere.
Sean, why this so rocky? Here's to doing new things. Trying new things. Oh Lord,
Attention skaters, if you're skating with a black wristband, your session is now finished.
What you want me to? She telling me come back. What is the come back for? I barely make it here. You want me come back for 2 weeks?
Step, and you eventually go.
Okay, step, and then go. Okay, we'll try that. Come on, let's try step. Let's go.
So unfortunately the camera was a bit too low, so it did not catch us making our way around. Yes, the struggle of making our way around this rink. But after some time, like, I definitely started to, you know, catch a little groove and a little rhythm. And yeah, you could see us there on the far side, me with the leggings in front and Juanita behind me with jeans. But we enjoyed it, and we definitely, you know, would go again. And just the FYI, this activity is included in your stay on board, so you can feel free to book and go as many times as you like.
I mean that.
Alright y'all, so come along with us to the boardwalk. Now in this particular area there are a number of things to do. There's shows that happen up here. The Intense show, which is coming up in this vlog, is going to be up here. Y'all need to see that. And there are a number of places where you could dine and get desserts and stuff like that, some which are inclusive and others which you do have to pay a little bit of money to, you know, take part in the experience. But this part in particular is very beautiful, very fun, a whole host of activities to do, and kid friendly, definitely kid friendly.
I thought you want food. Johnny Rockets. Up here. Oh, we can't go through here. Daisy show was telling what we had.
So I need to
Yes,
look into that. And the rock climbing over here.
Right. No, sorry. Go ahead.
All right, y'all. So it was dinner time. We started off with an appetizer. Honestly, do not remember what it was that we had, but this for sure was a special type of lasagna, which was really nice. You know, not like a Caribbean lasagna, but it was still good. And once had some jasmine rice and fish, which she'll tell you what she felt about it. And then we had a tiramisu for dessert.
Yeah. So, you know, too long had dinner. The dinner was okay. The fish was a little mushy. Portion size was on the smaller side. Those of you who the screws is small, the portion size is really small sometimes. When do main dining, sorry. So now we are at another show. It's called Voices, and we supposed to got some excellent singers and dancers, stuff like that. So stay tuned.
It makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space. But I need it, baby, I'm late. But I still can check in with you. I know that I need my
All that you are about to hear is created by the humans. Come with me, you'll be in a world of pure imagination.
Take a look and you'll see into your imagination. Dum, dum.
Calm down there, fancy pants.
Thank you.
into another show. This one was saying solo since the booking is called Intense in the Aqua Theater. Excited? She old and she's sleepy, but she excited. Said that the show is dedicated to daughters.